Welcome to linuxhelp.com. We will see how to install OpenShot video editor on Ubuntu 21.04. The OpenShot video editing software, which can create videos, movies, and activities, has a simple to use interface and many features, and runs on Linux, macOS, and Windows. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to add the OpenShot repository to the apt source list. After adding the repository, once update the apt source list. Now install the OpenShot application by using apt. OpenShot application is installed. Now go to the search bar and search for OpenShot. Click to open. This was the OpenShot video editor. By this, how to install OpenShot video editor on Ubuntu 21.04 have been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.